Hey everyone, want to manage your contacts in Mega? In this video, I'll show you how to add, edit, and organize Mega contacts step by step. Yeah, managing contacts makes it easier to share files, collaborate with others, and keep your Mega account organized. First, open your web browser or the Mega desktop app and sign in to your Mega account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before managing your contacts. Next, open the Contacts section from the Mega menu. This area allows you to view and manage people connected to your Mega account. To add a new contact, select the option to add a contact and enter the person's Mega account email address. Then send the contact request or invitation. Once the person accepts your request, they will appear in your contacts list. Having saved contacts makes sharing files and folders much faster. To share files with a contact, select the file or folder you want to send, choose the sharing option, and select the contact from your list. You can also manage existing contacts by selecting a person's profile. From there, you may be able to remove contacts or update your sharing preferences. If you no longer need a contact, open the Contact Options menu and choose the Remove or Delete option, so you can keep your contact list clean and organized. For better privacy, only add people you trust and review your shared files regularly to make sure the right users still have access. Keeping your Mega contacts organized helps you collaborate more efficiently and manage your cloud files securely, and that's how you manage contacts in Mega. With these simple steps, you can add contacts, share files, and keep your Mega account organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.